So we're almost to 15,000 subscribers, and I want to thank each and every one of you who have already subscribed to the channel. You've really helped it grow, and I hope in return it has helped your business grow, which is the whole reason we started this whole YouTube thing. So today we have two pretty exciting things going on here at All About Pressure Washing, and of course, as the title says, we're giving away a free soft wash pump to a lucky subscriber. So make sure to wait until the end, and I'll give you all the details on how to enter so you have the chance to win. So over the past year or so, I've had the opportunity to meet and talk to a bunch of you guys, whether it's in person, by email, text message, or on the phone. I love getting feedback on what we're doing here, and I love being able to help when I can. I've also had the opportunity to get to know a lot of the other pressure washing guys on YouTube, and that has obviously proven what a great community that we have for the most part. And one of the things that keeps coming up and the questions that I get asked is, do I have any interest or desire in doing training seminars or presentations at conventions? If I put any thought into putting out a course or offering coaching or consulting? And my answer has always been no, because I think that I put out pretty good content already, which helps folks grow their business. And it is such a time commitment, and we all know how valuable that time is. But because so many of you guys have asked, I gave it some real thought, and I feel that I could put together a consolidated program that could impact so many people. And with that being said, I'm teaming up with a good friend and brilliant marketing mind, Justin from Forever Self-Employed, and we're working on something pretty unique that I think is going to be a huge help to a lot of people. If you don't know much about me, I have run a very successful pressure washing business for almost 20 years. And while I don't talk numbers, my business has consistently been doing a healthy 6 figures for the past 15 years. Now, don't get me wrong, I've made a ton of mistakes. I've learned a lot from those mistakes, but most importantly, I've gained an immense amount of knowledge and experience that is invaluable in this business. I know that I will be able to cut your learning curve in half, if not more. Now, my path in this pressure washing journey may be a little different than yours because I've never been on the truck. I've never been behind the wand. I have always handled the management, the operations, the sales and marketing side of the business from my office. And I've always had employees with boots on the ground handling the pressure cleaning, the roof cleaning, the window cleaning, and everything else. So we have put together an in-depth course based on my business model, my experience, my systems, and my methodology on how to increase your efficiency in every single aspect of your business, thus increasing the profitability of your business, giving you the tools to get you off the truck sooner rather than later. And even if you don't want to get off the truck, the things you're going to gain from this course are going to make you more efficient and going to make you more money, because I'm going to teach you all the things that you need to do in order to run your business from an office or your truck while you're out there working. Whether you're just starting out or you've been in the game for a while, this course is going to help you take your business to the next level, and I am excited. So leave me a comment, let me know if there is any interest in something like this. Like I said, I am really thrilled about this, and I know it's going to be a big help to a lot of people. So I'll keep you updated on when the course is going to drop. And that's that. So now what you're really here for, the soft wash pump giveaway. So here it is. When we hit 15,000 subscribers, we're going to be doing a drawing and a giveaway for a 5.5 gallon per minute Everflow soft wash pump. If you don't currently have a pump, or you'd like to have a backup on the shelf ready to go, this is a great pump. This is a great contest, so make sure you enter. We exclusively use these pumps on all of our rigs because they're dependable, they last, and they're relatively inexpensive. We work in a harsh, corrosive environment, and these pumps can stand up to that test as long as you do your part, rinsing them out after each use and taking care of them. We stick with the 5.5 gallon per minute pump because it has the flow that we need and not so excessive that you've got mass amounts of runoff when you're washing roofs, which is the primary use for these pumps in my company. And I know because the flow isn't so much, we're not going to be killing plants and property. But enough about the pump. You want to know how to win it. There is a link down below. All you have to do is click on the link and subscribe to the channel. If you already are a subscriber, you still need to follow that link, follow the instructions, and you'll also have the opportunity to get more chances to enter, or more entries rather, for doing other things like sharing it on Facebook or Instagram and other stuff. We found a pretty cool site that runs these contests, and they've made it very easy to enter. So that's it. Make sure you're a subscriber. Leave us a comment below. Let me know if there's any interest in that course that I was talking about. Give us a thumbs up, but more importantly, have a great day.